Come along if you want to be happy as a honeybee. Drone, honey, and candy. Happy as a honeybee. Come along if you want to play. Count, learn, and sing all day. To the beach and river we roam. Then it's home at the honeycomb. Whoa, here he comes. Oh.
What? Of course I can see you. You're right there.
Oh, hey, cute little monkey. Welcome to another episode of The Sequence with me, Honi Honeybee. Come along if you want to see what it's like to be a bee. Drone, honey,